Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. Today I'm going to be demoing off Strongman. It's by Winda. It's a 16 shot up to 200 grams. That's what the tubes look like. Some decent sized tubes for being a 200 gram cake. So I'm very curious to see how this cake performs. There's some of the performance. Powerful multicolored palm trees with silver strobe, crackle, and time rain. There's some of the colors. Approximate height 130. Firing pattern is straight up in the air. No angles on this. And then the noise is 9 out of 10. Anyways, let's demo off Strongman. 16 shot by Winda. All right, here goes Strongman. 16 shot by Winda. Go. Fight it. 16 shot, Strongman by Winda.